In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change stats in Blox Fruit Second C. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly get a stat reset. So by talking to a very specific NPC, you will be able to reset your stats. Every single allocated stat point will be refunded, and then you will be able to change your current stats. To do this, you will have to talk to a specific NPC, the Bloxter. Bloxter is going to be located in the bridge, on the castle, on the sea. So go over to the bridge between the Kingdom of Rose and the Green Zone, as well as inside the building with a blue roof on the castle on the sea. When you find this specific NPC, he is going to offer to reset the stat allocation for 2,500 fragments. If you don't have 2,500 fragments, he is just going to tell you that the weather is nice, but once you have 2,500 fragments on your inventory, he is going to offer to refund your stat points. If you give him 2,500 fragments, then all of your stat points will be reset. And like I said, they will be refunded in full, and you can just update the skills that you have. So change the stats as many times as you wish. There is no limit, the price is always going to be the same, and all that you have to do is find Bloxter, either in the bridge between the Kingdom of Rose and Green Zone or the castle at the sea. By talking to them there, you will be able to reset the stats that you have. So he is going to be available on the second sea, which is the focus of this video, or on the third sea by going over to the castle. So choose whichever one you prefer. Either way, it's always going to cost 2,500 fragments, and you can do it as many times as you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to change stats in Blox Fruit Second C. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.